Okay, the garden has been getting a lot of love and a lot of questions. So this right here is the herb box. We have a whole bunch of different rosemaries. I had some green onions that I replanted. Next time I'm gonna plant them all together in a bunch instead of planting them singly. I have some purple sage right there. I have some pineapple sage. Some Thai basil. Got some marigolds planted in the middle there. Keep the pests away. That is some thyme. I believe it's lemon thyme. That's some basil that'll be regrown that we ate. Then if you come over here, back here, we have 3 pepper plants in here. But I'm gonna take one of them out, I can already tell you. We got a jalapeno. And these were all planted about a month ago. A jalapeno. A lunchbox mix. Those are little peppers. And some lemon drop peppers. They're yellow pepper. Over here, we have some sweet red peppers right there. Some frying peppers right there in the middle. That's a big watermelon plant. And we have some more peppers up front here. Another lunchbox. They're the little miniature peppers. We got some pretty blaze orange ones in the back. Then we have 4 tomato plants. That's going to get out of control. I'm going to have to cut them back to keep them cool. But we got 2 San Marzano. They're the smaller ones. And then we had these Amish paste. So we're going to see how they operate. Then over here, we had some more peppers. Some gypsy peppers. Some Better Bell. What's that? Some more green ones back there. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. You'll see this thing grow and get out of control. Building a little greenhouse back here. Might let y'all in on when I build that. But yeah. That's what it is. Over the years, I grew a lot of stuff that we really didn't eat. A whole bunch of cucumbers and crazy stuff like that. It never really worked out. So this year, I'm going to streamline it. Try to be a little bit more efficient. Let's see how it treats us. But yeah, I'll check back in with you in a week.